Thank you. First and foremost, thank you everybody for joining us for this very wonderful launch of AD2C. It's been a dream to launch a company that would really help grow mobile advertising in India as well as beyond. And I would like to thank our partners, D2 Communications, Starcom, Dentsu, and very importantly our team here for enabling this moment where we can very confidently and credibly extend a very competent hand to the advertising industry to bring you a partner, AD2C, a partner that will bring the ad industry the ability to really handle or extend mobile advertising as a campaign to the brands and the advertisers in the India market. So today my role and my key thoughts are to really extend this not just as a launch but as a commitment to the ad industry. So I'm here to make 3 key commitments on behalf of AD2C, which I hope and I believe that my team together with our partners will deliver in the India market. The first commitment is that we would be the most competent and the most credible mobile advertising partner to the ad industry in India. And for that, D2 Communications as our key partner gives us the ability to bring in over thousands, literally thousands of successful case studies done on mobile for brands in the Japan market. The kind of technologies and campaigns that have made D2 Communications a leading force of mobile advertising in Japan, I believe will really accelerate the pace at which AD2C will do the same for all of us for the ad industry in the India market. So that's my first commitment, and for that I'm relying upon Hoshiyama-san and his team's backing to AD2C to make that happen in India. The second commitment that I want to make to our industry is that we need to grow mobile advertising. So I've been an entrepreneur doing mobile advertising in India and in Asia for the last 6 years. Let me tell you, today mobile advertising is still just a 150 crore business in India. And that doesn't satisfy me as an entrepreneur and doesn't satisfy the industry at large, I believe. So that's my commitment number 2. We at AD2C are going to work together with the industry and the ecosystem to grow this at least 10 times in the next 5 years. So that's 1,500 crores as a business, and that's when I would say that yes, we have achieved or made an impact. So that's AD2C's commitment to the industry at large. And to substantiate that commitment, we have started in India by the acquisition and merger with Mobimasta. And you saw Anurag as the Chief Operating Officer coming on board. I think Mobimasta has done a great job of laying the groundwork in the last few years to enable that with partners like Starcom as well as several clients like Samsung, Coca-Cola, Yahoo. Some of them are actually present here today. So by this investment in Mobimasta and bringing them as a merger and then the partnership with D2C, we believe we are very well poised to make that impact in the Indian industry, to grow the mobile advertising business by over 10 times to 1,500 crores at least in the next 5 years. So that's my second commitment to you on behalf of AD2C. The third commitment that I'd like to make is a significant problem which we believe we will solve. The problem is that mobile is treated at a very periphery of the ad industry. So whenever somebody is planning a campaign, they look at all the traditional media and then sometimes as an afterthought, oh, let's put digital into it. And then even further afterthought, let's put a mobile into it. And I think if you look at our logo, AD2C, our key mission is mobility by design. And that means it's not an afterthought. Mobile today, based on the way you and I as consumers use mobile, deserves to be at the heart of anything that is to do with the consumer. And advertising, brands, and all our campaigns are actually just a means to reach out and communicate with the consumer. Mobility and mobile needs to be the centerpiece, the heart of this communication. And we believe AD2C will deliver that, and that's our mission, and that's our commitment to the ad industry. So with that, I'm pleased to present AD2C and its partners to you. And it would not be complete without D2 Communications. So may I invite Hoshiyama-san, our guest from Japan, to please share his thoughts about AD2C.